Today we explore Cala Blanca, a stunning four-bedroom villa nestled within the exclusive Biombo Secrets compound in Pererenan. Cala Blanca is one of several exquisite villas available at Biombo Secrets. This unique collection offers a luxurious holiday experience amidst thoughtfully designed architecture. Despite its 450 sqm plot, Cala Blanca feels incredibly spacious. The layout cleverly utilizes every corner, maximizing the perceived area. The long rectangular design optimizes visual space and minimizes visual obstruction from neighboring villas. A unique feature of Biombo Secrets is the shared entrance and access corridor. As you walk along the zigzag pathway, lush greenery, natural stone walls, and cascading roofs create a captivating welcome ambience. Upon entering Cala Blanca, you'll be greeted by a stunning living area featuring a high-sloped timber ceiling. This open-plan space seamlessly integrates the kitchen, living room, and dining room. But the true star? Nature itself. Palm trees and plants surround the sunken sofa area and kitchen, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. This biophilic design philosophy promotes physical and mental well-being by incorporating natural elements. Cala Blanca prioritizes natural light, ventilation, and materials like timber and stone. This focus on nature extends to the four luxurious bedrooms. 3 bedrooms reside on the ground floor, while the upper floor features a grand master suite with a spacious terrace. The basement offers a dedicated entertainment zone, ensuring tranquility for those resting above. Here you'll find a speakeasy bar, a state-of-the-art cinema room, and essential service facilities. The organically shaped pool, crafted with custom marble pieces, resembles a turquoise beach. It rests beneath a canopy of coconut trees, creating a true private paradise. Cala Blanca exemplifies a harmonious dialogue between modern design and Bali's lush vegetation. Indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly connect, fostering a deep connection with nature. Local materials like wood and stone are beautifully integrated, accented by contemporary touches. Here, timeless elegance meets contemporary sophistication, utilizing architecture to elevate the living experience and connect us with the natural world. Share your thoughts on this unique Bali retreat in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.